Hi everyone, Gian here. Our Bible verse for today is all about Acts 3 verse 21. Heaven must be receive him until the time comes for God to restore everything as the promise long ago through his holy prophet. So, napakaganda po ng verse po natin today. And isa sa mga teaching po nito is the doctrines of restorations of all things, diba? So the ascensions of Christ is about conquest. So, yung pag-akyat po ng ating Panginoong Diyos sa langit, ito yung pag-conquest dun sa creation, pag-redeem ulit dun sa creation. Jesus will come back to complete the project of restoration sa original creation na ginawa. Back to original creation na ginawa ng Panginoong Diyos. God's promise will not be broken. So, ang mundo natin, ang daming mga nangyayaring gulo, kasalanan, sakit, pero lagi mong tatandaan, hindi pwede sa Panginoong Diyos na magpatuloy yung kasalanan na to. That's why God promise will not be broken. Babalik at babalik siya for the restorations of the project and back to the original creations of God. So, let's apply sa life natin to study the doctrines of ascension for us to understand what is the real will of God for us. Fix what sin has broken. Kung tayo naging nakapag-contribute tayo sa kasalanan dito sa mundo, even paggawa ng mali, makasakit tayo ng tao, makapagsalita tayo ng hindi maganda na nasasaktan natin yung tao, we contributed to the brokenness of this world. That's why we have to be aware, and hanggat maaari, ang makontribute natin is yung pagbabago. Yung makontribute natin is yung pagsasaayos. Makontribute natin is yung fix what sin has been broken. Sa relationships, sa family, kapag napasukan ng kasalanan, nagkakaroon ng gulo, pag-aaway, inggitan, galit, pagsiselos, hanggang sa may brokenness na. Even dun sa friendship, still, pag napasukan ng kasalanan, nasisira. So, build the future. Build what God's wants us in the future. So, wag nating hahayaan na masira kung ano man yung build, yung plan, yung original plan ng God po sa atin.